We live in a country where the truth is watered down to a point it doesn't make sense anymore. Stories like the TJRC report, in which apparently our president and deputy president were mentioned, adversely or otherwise. And we get no reaction from our so-called esteemed elected leaders. All we have are excuses and stalling. You know what I say to that? Cut the crap! Are we serious? Is this news? Greedy MPs, commissions that are toothless dogs, insecurity on the rise rapidly in some parts of the country, and don't get me started on the African Union. It's time we called it as it really is. So, if you want to hear raw, unadulterated, nail on the head hitting news, watch this space.